So this tutorial is to show you how to open tender for your commercial and technical opening. So first you log in into the system. So now scroll and go to the project that is already closed tender. For example, this project, the status is already closed tender. So now you open project. Okay, now you go to tendering, click on technical opening. So from here you can see the number of completed tenders, the closing dates, the verifiers and the status. So to open this technical evaluation or to view the result for this technical evaluation, you need to assign a verifier first. So to assign, click assign. So from here there's a list of users, so you may select which are the verifiers. So for example, I'm going to select this person as a verifier and submit. So actually the verifiers will receive an email, okay, to approve this, or every time they log in into the system, okay, they can see it at the to-do list. So for example, when I go back, so you can see the pending to-do list here, okay, for the technical opening for which project. So you click view and confirm. So once confirmed, go back to tendering, click on technical opening. So from here you can see the status is now open for you to view the results. So now click on tender. Here you can see the list of the contractors that submitted, and this is the overall scoring. So to view the detailed scoring for this technical evaluation result, you can go to report. So from here on top you can see the summary for the technical and financial capability scoring for each of the contractors. If you scroll down, you can see the details for each of the capabilities criteria. So actually if you click on one of the criteria, it will show into details for the technical scoring. So for example, the key management personnel, when you click, it will show the detailed scoring for this technical evaluation result. Now back to summary. So we can also export this into Excel. So for example, you click actions and click on export overall summary report to Excel. So from here you can do your editing for each of the criteria and the summary for your technical evaluation results. So close. So now back to one level. Okay. So besides the reports, okay, we have the attachments here. So to view the attachments that have been uploaded by the contractors, you can click on the attachments. So to download, you just click on the file here. Then the system will automatically download the file. You also have the remarks. If you want to key in any remarks, for example, click and key in your remarks here. So besides that, we have the technical assessment form. So those who are qualified based on your evaluation, you can select here. So let's say for example, the lowest score is contractor 1. So we can select the 2 highest score here and go to technical assessment form. So from here, first you need to fill in the targeted date of award. Okay, so let's see on this date. So when you scroll, you can see two sections. So this will be the contractors who pass based on the technical evaluation result, and this is for the contractors that fails. So once you scroll down, okay, actually you can assign a verifiers, okay, to approve this technical assessment confirmation form. Okay, so for example, if you want to select a verifiers, okay, we also have the attachments for you to upload any supporting documents. So to add your attachments, you can click add files. So for example, I select 3 random files, open and upload. So actually these files can be viewed by all of the verifiers. So let's say you already confirmed with this technical assessment confirmation form, you can just click submit. And yes. So now back to one level. So basically this is how you open your technical evaluation results, or how you want to view your technical evaluation results. So next I'm going to proceed with the commercial opening. As for commercial opening, you can just go to tendering here, click on open tender. So as you can see here, it is similar to your technical opening, where you can see the number of submitted tenders, what's the closing date, the verifiers, and the status. So the first step is you need to assign the verifiers. Click assign verifiers. Say select this person as a verifiers. You scroll down and click submit. So now go back to projects and view for this one. So now you confirm. So back to tendering, go to open tender. So now you can see the status is open. So to view this commercial result, you just click on tender here. So if you notice, the contractors that is highlighted is the one who pass the technical evaluation. Okay, even though you can't see the amount for contractor 1, okay, you actually can view it later on. So to see additional informations, you can click on toggle additional information here to see additional informations such as contract adjustments, the amount for tender alternative, form of tender, and attachments that they've uploaded. So let's see, if you want to view the form of tender, you can just click on print here. So you can view. Let's say I go back. Let's say if you want to download the attachments, you can just click on the files here and click any of the attachments here. For example, drawing number 1, you just single click to download and close. So besides that, okay, when you click on print, you can view the record of tender opening. So here you can see all the tender's name, the tender amount for tender alternative A, the tender amount for tender alternative B. And close. Let's say you want to do a more detailed comparison, okay, based on BQ for each of the contractors. You can click on actions and click sync to bill space. But before that, there's another step you need to do. You need to go back to one level go to Actions and enable Contractors Rate Display. So now you can see the contractors' rates are now visible. So click on Tender. So to view the details, you can go to Billspace Pro here. So now the system will divert you into a different tab. Okay, so now you can go to View Tenders here. So as you can see, this is the PTE and this will be your contractors' rates. Let's say if you double click, so this will be the element level. If you double click again, it will go to your item level. So from here you can do your comparison between your rates and all of the contractors' rates. So besides that, we have the historical rate function to do your own analysis based on your previous projects. So for example, referring to this item, you double click on the rate here. So from here you can do your analysis based on different projects. So for example, you want to choose this one, you can just tick and click Save. So now you can do your own analysis. Or you want to print out the tender comparison report. If you want to print out the tender comparison report, you can go to Billspace, click on Reports. So since this project is still under the tendering stage, you click on Tendering Report, click on the project, double click on the project. Okay, go to View Tenders. So it's similar to just now. You can see your PTE amount and the contractors' rates. Let's see if you, first you need to go to Tender Settings and select which contractors you want to do your comparison. So for example, let's select all contractors and close. So let's say if you double click, you will go to your item level to do the comparison. Or if you double click again for this element, okay, it will show the details for each of the contractors' rate. So to print it out, you can select a few items or you can select all. Click on Item Rate and Total. Item Rate and Total for all tenders. So you can choose between lowest to highest or highest to lowest. So let's say select lowest to highest. So from here you can see there's a green color highlighted rate and the red color. So basically the green color will indicate the lowest rates and the red color will indicate the highest rates. So to print it out, you can just click Print. So you have two different options. Either you want to print it out in PDF or you want to export it to Excel. So if you want to print in PDF, you just click on Print. So it will show the details here. Or you want to export it in Excel, so you go back here, click on Export to Excel. So once you already export it to Excel, actually you have the flexibility to do your editing for your rates comparisons. Now we close this, back to Project Builder. Back to tendering. Go to the scene project. So basically this is how you open your technical opening and your commercial opening.